Hello everyone! Today by this video I'm going to start new series of videos about options, and the options I will take only vanilla options because there is binary options and it is not the same, because if you will do the math you will get understanding that it's more looks like very highly risked trading operations and has nothing common with classic vanilla options. So in this video we will cover what is options, and to get understanding what it is we have to take an example of medical care. Basically it is very simple example. For example, we have person and that person would like to get insurance about his health. He will pay some premium, he will get some insurance amount, and he will get insurance amount in case if insurance event will happen in insurance period, for example 1 year. In trading we can hedge our position in the same way. For example, if we have a long position, for example we bought Tesla 1 share by $800 and our investment horizon is 1 year. So this is basically absolutely the same. 1 year is the insurance period. Insurance amount is value of difference between market price at expiration date, which is 1 year, and our entry position price. We have basically two types of events. If price in 1 year will be below our entry price and will be upper our entry price. Okay, it can be the same price, but okay, let's take only two conditions for simplify the example. So in this case we can think about how to insure, how to hedge our position, because I won't get some drawdown or some negative, some losses, and this is where options is good for us, because in this position, okay, let me show you. Let me do like this. Okay, so one more time. Tesla bought 1 share, investment horizon 1 year, and entry price $800. So what we can do, we can buy option. Option basically is agreement or insurance policy for our position. Another side agrees with us to buy our 1 share, our position, in case if price will be below some particular price, which is called strike. And this price is is feature of insurance event. So basically, like in real life, if you got insurance of your health and you will get injured, so getting injured is a strike, the same like strike in trading. So for example, let's put the same price, like our entry price is strike. That means that all prices below that price at the end of our insurance period will be insurance event. Let me show you. Here we have price. Here we are entry price and the strike. And in case if at the end of the insurance period, for example 1 year, in our example it is a 1 year, let's suggest that price is 700. So it doesn't matter for us because we will pay some premium like for classic insurance policy. Let's think that it is $75. It can vary because of time frame, because of strike, and a lot of different things like volatility, Greeks, and so on so far. So in this case all our losses will be $75, not 100, because we paid $75 and that guy should buy our one share by 800. So in this case our losses will be $75 because that guy because we paid premium, and our profit will be initial position price minus price by that guy will buy our asset in agreement. So 800 also, so it's 0, and our net P&L will be like 0 plus minus 75, and that's all. And it doesn't matter what price will be in 1 year of our options expiration date. For example, if it will be $500, our net loss will be $75, which is premium only, and that's great. So what is about our profit in this case? In this case, let's suggest that that market price of Tesla at expiration date will be 1000. This way our losses will be minus $75 like in previous situation, but our take profit will be 100 minus 800, and it is $300. So our net P&L will be 300 minus 70. Sorry, I had to write like in previous example like this. So yeah, of course it's lower than in case if we will not buy our insurance tool, which is option, but it's very good in case if position price, position equity should be decreasing. If we will not analyze correctly market situation, and we would like to hedge our position profit. So that is basically how options are working. So one more time, in case if price will go down, all we will lose is premium amount $75. Of course, if you will select strike like 700, this way, yeah, premium will be significantly lower. For example, not 75 but probably $25, and in this case we will get another situation. So our losses will be 25 bucks, but our take profit will be 700s, because we changed strike to 700s minus 800s, so it is minus 100, and net P&L will be like minus 800 minus plus minus 25 bucks, so minus 125 bucks. Yeah, definitely this amount of net P&L is higher. I mean, losses will be higher than in the first example, but in case if we will use this strike 700s and this premium amount, but we will get profit will be significantly higher, because in our example will be the same 300 minus plus minus 25 bucks. So in this case our final net profit will be 275 bucks, so it's significantly more. Basically, it's a very simple explanation how options work. And the last thing I would like to tell you is a difference between real life options, which is insurance policy, and trading options. Okay, for example, let's think that it's insurance company. So in real life you can only buy options, so you can only pay premium, get insurance amount in case if insurance event will happen in insurance period. And you can never sell the options, you can never sell the insurance, because insurance company always get the premium from you, pay insurance amount in case if insurance event will happen during or at the end of insurance period. But trading allow you to become this one also. I will highlight this mechanic in the next videos, but pay attention that in this event, if you will sell the insurance, if you will sell the options, and you will sell it like uncovered option, so you have infinity risk. You have infinity risk. Infinity risks. So you can blow up your account very easily, very fast. So you have not to do this if you don't understand how options work. And options because of options are non-linear instruments, non-linear assets, you have to put some efforts and time to get understanding how this shit works. But if you will do this, you can get dozens of persons of take profits in very short periods. See you in next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to press like, post comment on what else if you need, if you feel that it will be good. See you.